to fix Xbox app error content. Fail to load on Windows PC. Are you tired of seeing that annoying error every time you open your Xbox app? This problem usually happens because the app cache gets corrupted or your Windows services aren't running properly. Most tutorials you find online are long, confusing, and full of steps that don't work. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes it in just a few clicks. All you need is a quick reset of the app and a simple tweak in Windows settings, and the error disappears instantly. If you want me to make a full step-by-step guide showing exactly how to do it, comment below, and I'll share the full method with you.